What's up, guys? Today's April 19th, 2022. I'm just gonna do a quick update. It's probably not gonna be quick. All right, so the last update I had was March 31st on YouTube, and I said that I thought we were gonna get a move to 52K, but we got front run. So the alternative I had was this path. Oh no, not this one. We can just get into it here. So, okay, so before I had it like this, and then I thought the move was done, and then we're gonna capitulate, but there is an alternative count where it's like this. So this can be the A, and then A, B, C, B, or you can cut that as WXY. It doesn't matter. And then we still have a C wave left. So if we can get to 52K, that means we can prolong the out market, get a few good exit pumps, and then just ride those last longs up, and then take risk off. So why do I think this? Let's see here. If you go down to the low time frame, let me see if I can find it. Okay, yeah. Let me look at it. If you go down to the low time frame, you can count it like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you get this APT, and then you get this triangle, and then your fifth wave here to end. There's bullish divergence, so it looks nice. We broke back into the channel, which is good. The biggest test will probably be around 42K. I don't think we're gonna just straight up rip into it. But let's see, the test that I'm looking for is that if it goes like this, and then you get some kind of shallow three-way pullback, and then you rip out of the channel, back test this, and just go. Once I see that, then I think we can go for 52K. And what does that mean for altcoins? That means green. So, but for now, the biggest hint that this was going to happen was both Bitcoin dominance. You can see this bullish divergence here. So whenever this breaks out, it broke out on RSI too. Whenever this breaks out, it means Bitcoin's gonna run the show first, and then we'll just see what happens with alts. So right now it's fighting the EMAs, but it looks fine. And then the ultimate indicator / confirmation for me was USDT.D, which is tether dominance. Where is it? So here, basically the biggest pivot I had was, where is it? Interesting, I thought it was different. Why is it different? I guess we'll keep it there for now. I'll just move it down. It looks better here. So for me, we need to, if you look at tether dominance, we can see that the line in the sand, the pivot was 4.36%, and if you just look at the RSI support broke, right? We back tested, and now we're going down. There's bearish divergence, so there's weakness, and then people are buying back into crypto. So basically, the higher it goes, people are selling into cash or stable coins. They're fearful of the market. The lower it goes, the more people are buying crypto. So that was one of the ultimate confirmations. Right now, we still need a daily below this, and right now I think we're gonna get it, just from this purely, because it's breaking support. If we get that, then we're good, and then just go long and stay long until we test this box. Once you test this, then you can get out. But yeah, that's why I think it's gonna happen. And then what the structure looks like for the rest of the market, we can look at Alperp. So this is what I see. So this structure is still, I don't know where the ending point is, but I have it right here. So A, B, C, A, and then we come from B, and then C would take us to here. You can also put it, you can also say it's right here, like this. So let me put this like that, and then like this. So something like that. You can also count it that way. We look at total market cap. It's the same story. And how do I get these targets on upside? Just do the fib tracement. Just go for a 618, and that's it. Okay, that's it. ETH needs to hold above this white line. If we start going like this, then it's cooked. But for now, I know it looks kind of elongated. It looks weird. Maybe it's this. Maybe it's that. Yeah, it could be that. Something like that. Wouldn't surprise me, but that's how I'm looking at it. So that's Bitcoin. That's just to recap, TLDR. I think that we're going for this alternate route, for the bullish route, where we can retest 52K and basically just look for an impulse off the low and a 3-wave pullback, and then we should be good. And then altcoins will be following suit. So, and then now we'll just jump into SPY. The last time we talked about SPY, where are we? So the last time we talked about SPY, I think it was, yeah, April 4th. I said look for a retest of 43.75. If that's, I mean, in both the bull and bear case, we're gonna retest that. So that's a typo. That should have said, or 43.75 should have been here as well. But that was the first test. So I tweeted that, and it was at 4,500, 45.90, and then we retested 43.75. We went a little bit lower, but that's fine. So now let's go to the tweet. I forgot what my next update was. Okay, so we tagged it, and I said we should bounce to broken support 45.34 and 14.5K. Let me just put that for future reference. So basically what I'm expecting is to at least test this level right here, and then we'll reassess if we reject and we come down, or are we gonna like blast off. At this point I don't know, and I'm gonna lean that we blast off, just because I'm thinking what's the max pain scenario for bulls. So you gotta think like a market maker. We can talk about NASDAQ. So NASDAQ's, what I say, 14. I said we're gonna tag 13.8K, and we did. I mean, it doesn't get much more accurate than that. I don't know what more to tell you. And now, so that can either be, so my main is that we're in the B, we already put a B wave in, and now we're going for C. The alternative is that we're going to do like some ABC flat into a B and then have a C wave go up here. I'm not opposed to either one. It's just, you got to think of a market maker. Which way is the best way to fuck over most of retail and get the liquidity liquidity pump, goddamn. But, and what gave us clues, if you look at RSI, you see how it backtests and it bounces, that's one of your biggest clues. And you look at the daily, it puts this hammer candle, right? That's how you know. And then once you retest this pivot, that's a hard pivot, and then just doesn't look back. So these are levels next to watch. 14.5 for NQ and 45.34 for SPY. So TLDR, I think we're gonna retest this with ease, and if we break up, then let's see. Then I think it's gonna test like this channel or this pivot, something like that. Something around here, 4,700. I'm still macro bearish, but we'll see. Yep, that's the update on SPY. And then NASDAQ, look for, if you just rip above here, look for at least 15.7. All right, now something that else is interesting is that this is good for bulls, but VIX is breaking down on RSI, so it broke trend on support. So that means it's likely gonna go for a new low, so probably around this area, probably something like this, and then we'll reassess. If I think what's gonna happen is that it's just gonna whipsaw and chop around and do all this, and then eventually it'll go like that. So that's what I think on VIX. You use VIX and USDT to help time some of them, like the tops, the reversal points. Something else interesting to note is that the dollar currency index is breaking out hard, like hard. And then I think it's going to test this trend line here, and then that'll be probably the local market bottom. So anywhere between 101 and 102. I know we're almost at those levels now, but when you look at this index, it's each point is more, it's weighted more. So what I think, I don't even think you can do an Elliott wave count on it, to be honest, but it's probably gonna do something like this, consolidate, drop, and then everyone would think, oh, we're in a bull market again, and then we'll capitulate and eventually go up here. When we go up here, this will be the macro market bottom. I don't know what year it'll be, but where do I get this trend line? It's actually, yeah, where did I get that? It's weird. Okay, I don't know if they changed the layout of the chart on me or what, but this looks different. Yeah, we'll take it like one step at a time. Yeah, I'll look at this later. I don't know why. I guess the chart looks different, but we'll just use this channel for the meantime. So by this channel, we can, I mean, right here, like that. All right, let's take it like that. We'll probably test the top of this channel, and then we'll reassess. That'll probably be the macro market bottom. And then I'll probably just move it here. I'll probably move now because it doesn't make sense. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, and that's, so those are the major indices. Basically, my bias is bullish, cautiously bullish. I took on risk, and I mean, real quick, I'll just go over it. Some of the risk I took on was, let's see, Roku, I like it. Looks like a nice inverted head and shoulders. And then this is my validation point. So if we get a daily below 110, I'm out. I'm targeting 169, and then it can go for 230 if market conditions are good. It's going to be choppy. The local bottoms always are. I'm not in Chewy, but it also looks good. Etsy, I'm not in. It looks good too. Where's the other ones? Home Depot looks good. I like how you see this when it breaks out and then it just keeps going. That's a good sign. I might buy back in today or tomorrow, maybe after the Fed meeting. I actually like VYG, as well. I might buy starters tomorrow, depending on this daily candle. Those are nice tweezer bottoms, and then just put like a stop daily below here, and then you can, I mean, what's the percent gain? It's bad that it fell out of this channel, but you can get some good retraces, so that's nice. Fubo looks good now. Looks better, I should say. I kind of jumped the gun earlier. Fastly looks, that's actually really good. The way it's breaking out, and just, that's really good. It wants to go for the gap fill. So it's, what is that now? It's kind of like too late for entry now. So I would wait for some kind of, if it does like a wave 2 to here, then you can get in, but that's a good sign. Zoom, I like Zoom a lot. I think it'll go for 154. You can have a daily below 104, 105. Z, what is Z? Oh, Zillow, fuckers. I think it's fine. This one looks good too. It's a nice inverted head and shoulders. Broke out of RSI. I sound like a broken record. It's the same. You just look for the same setups. All right, it's like that. You look for broken RSI, back test, fib retracement, and then you have like some kind of invalidation point. So in this case, invalidation meaning, okay, risk off. So in this case, it'd be 87. SoFi, there's bullish divergence. Just wait, let it base some more. PayPal looks like Roku and Zoom. PLTR, this one's, I don't know what this structure is. Looks three-wave-ish. Looks like an ABC, so that's kind of sus. I mean, maybe you want to count it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's missing a fifth, and then maybe the fifth going to 15. I don't know yet. I'll just wait. Pins looks good. Like how it's back testing and it's holding. If you want, you can try to snipe the bottom. Put a stop loss at 21. Jamayo looks better. Docs, I still like Docs. If we can break this, it's fine. I mean, what would be nasty is if they do this, they do that, and then just fade it every time. D King, this thing's channeling. I don't know what to make of it, but you can put a stop here at $16. It's pretty good. Some of the crypto plays I longed was Alice. I longed Alice. I think it's clear setup. Stop is that red line. AXS, I bought some spot here, and then I'm just gonna hold it. I think it can make a good, almost like 50%, near 50% move. Oh, sorry, I forgot to talk about these. My bad. I forgot to talk about Riot. So Riot, Mara. So if I think crypto is gonna go up, I think these miners can go up too, and the invalidation point's good. So R is good. So for Mara and Riot, let me just do here. God damn. Also, I have to start watermarking my charts because these shitheads really gotta be copying my ideas and not giving credit. Like, come on, man. Like, get your own mojo. All right, so Mara can make about a 50% move. Riot, same thing. Those are nice tweezer bottoms. Let's see. If anyone knows how to adjust trading views like default, like settings right here, that would be much appreciated. Because I'm tired of having to always adjust this shit. Alright, Riot can go for 22. Red line is stop. Talked about AXS. CRV looks good. I think it can go for $3 again for a flat pattern. Gala, a little less likely, but it has potential to. You can put a red line here, but I would wait for an impulse up and then go for it. But these would be my targets. This 31 and 38 cents. H bar, I'm long. I think it's A or W, X, Y, or it can be A, B, C. Doesn't matter. It's a flat pattern. That's a nice long wick. We can put stop at here, 19.7 or 19.2, and then target 26. I bought some mana earlier. It looks very similar to Gala, but the stop is clear. Very good invalidation points. Ren, this one looks like a monster in the making. I don't have any just because it ran up already hard, and I don't want to chase. But this structure is probably not. ABC, and then some kind of one, yeah, maybe something like that. Sand looks good. Nice bullish divergence. This reminds me of 6K Bitcoin for some reason, like the price history. It looks like it's each bounce weaker, and maybe one final bounce and then die. So we'll see what happens. I like the volume coming in, and it's all right. SHIB, I don't know what it's doing. SOP, this one failed. Should have known, because this structure was inorganic, or was not organic. But now it looks fine for dead cat. Maybe we can make a flat pattern and go for 0.28. We'll see. You can long or out. Anything I say here is not financial advice. Please share your own risk. This is just me speaking my own thoughts. Could have a long here and put red line at stop, or stop at red line 0.16. And then where is it? I think we went through that. Tower looks nice too. Holy shit, was that today? Okay, fuck. It can go for 0.365. I don't have a position, but this is nice. It's not a coincidence that it does this, but it's nice. So ultimately, TLDR, I am bullish short term as long as USDT can get a daily below this line. I mean, what can happen is that it can, ideally it would just daily below here, close and retest broken resistance / support, and then come down. That's the ideal situation to happen. Ideally it would be like that, right? But realistically that'd be the goal, like this, and then something like that. Let's see what are we at. Hopefully that wasn't too long. Okay, 24 minutes. I think that was a good time. Good timing. Let's talk about XRP. Jeez, man, this structure is just so. They'll probably just chop everyone up until God knows when. But I already have spot. I think I don't know what the count is. I don't know. I just feel like it's due for a pump. But is this it? No. Oh God. I am long, and my stop is daily below here. What I'm expecting is a test of at least 86, but it would be great to probably go for something like that around 128. Honestly, it probably does not have enough juice to do that. I'll probably do like this shit. So, boom. Probably 115, something like that. And then we'll just assess from there. I think that's everything I wanted to talk about. Yeah, I think that's everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed the quicker video market update. If you guys don't already, follow me on Twitter. It's cvoTrades. And if you guys are interested in joining the Discord, there's a free trial for those that haven't joined yet. It's the beta access. Basically, you just get access to it for 2 weeks, and if you like it, you can DM me to join. And watch out for these goddamn scammers trying to pretend to be me. Okay, so my logo. So my logo now is the GIF. Oh shit. Where is it? So yeah, this is my logo. All right, so it's a GIF. So now they can't copy me. But there's people pretending to be me. Just make sure that you're DMing the right person, which is CryptoBuddy, and then what is it? #6444, and then that's it. And then this is the look. But yeah, so you come in here, and then first you verify yourself so when you join, you verify yourself here. Oh wow, there's actually a lot of people that joined. Okay, you do this command, and then once you do that, you go to verification. I'm just gonna put it up here. You go to verification, and then you just emote. Once you emote on that, then you have access to the full Discord for 2 weeks. Once your 2 weeks is up, then it's expired, and then you get to see all these channels. So yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Happy Tuesday. Yeah, happy Tuesday, and safe trading, y'all. Peace.